specific date in a date format. So date and time function is important because, as we see, most of the transaction in the real world needs a date and time, and most of the case, date time uh, format is not unique. As I say, yeah, people put some very weird format of date time. So we have to standardize date time function. So this date time function help us to standardize the date time format. Then logical function. Logical functions can be and or if else. So and means if your both argument is true, then it will return the value true. Then or argument is sorry bitwise, or is like if either of them true, then it will put a true. Then there is like a bitwise or function, so it returns the bitwise or. So one of the example of logical function can be like a if your column A value is greater than 15, if your column B value is less than 30, then return true something. Or is like if either of them true, then return a true. Next is text function. Yesterday we saw some of the text function. So text function can be you can use text function to split. You can use the text function as to like a what is the length of the character of a particular string. It can this type length can be useful when you have like a variable length of text throughout the column. Like yesterday we saw a country name. There is Germany, Mexico, United States of America. So you can see different length of characters or text string. So if we apply length, then it will give us the length of each value. So Germany may be 8, Mexico maybe 6, United States of America maybe 14 or 15 something. So those are the lengths. So those are length. Then you can do split, or you can do extract.